Hi guys, welcome to my Galaxy S9 unboxing video. Luckily, I was one of the few who received AKG Bluetooth headphone and 128 GB memory card free with their pre-order of S9 Plus. Let's open and see what we have inside. Phone box, 128 GB memory card, and AKG Bluetooth headphone. These headphones are from one of the partner of Samsung, which the Samsung has recently acquired. Let's put aside the headphone and the memory card and let's open the beast. But the logo says it's a blue color, but actually the product inside is grey, so don't get confused with the logo color. At the back of the box, you can see the details of S9 Plus, the features which the S9 Plus comes up with. Well, the, the box packing look like S8 or even S9 Plus. Nothing different here. Oh my god. Be safe. Well, we have a cell phone. We'll get back to it later. The color is grey. Tray for the phone. And a fast charger. This is USB connector with whom you can connect your USB directly with your phone. Then we have Type-C cable for the charger. AKG headsets. And spare rubbers for the headsets. Now we're done with the box. We have one case, a transparent one, which comes up inside the box, which you can use for the first few days before getting a better one. Product menu. and SIM remover pin. This is what we had in the box. Let's remove the plastic. Wow, shiny. With the infinity display, the back looks good. So let's see what we have on the phone. We have new stereo speakers. We have power inlet. We have a mic and power button. Then we have SIM jacket. It's a jacket for two SIMs. You can either put two SIMs or one SIM and a memory card. Volume up and volume down button, plus we have a Bixby button. Let's see what Bixby will do this time. Then we have sensors and front camera, iris scanner. In the back we have wonderful dual camera system and thumb impression at a better position, plus heart rate sensor monitor. And this is a dual version, means it comes with two SIM option. Yeah, the position is better. So let's see what we have in the box of AKG headphones. Just a memory card. I think it's a small bag to carry the headphones. We have something inside. Okay, it's a manual and aux cable plus the power cable for the headphones. So many of them. I wonder someone reads them. It's just an average quality. Even the packing for the headphones is not of very good quality. Let's take out the headphone and see if the quality of headphone is better than the packing. Okay, we have plastic clips to remove first. Well, this is one of the best promotion I have received on my cell phone, where I got free headphone and a memory card. Well, these are the headphones. They are pretty heavy and the quality looks fine. You can see there are buttons for the power, for volume up, volume down, and turning the headphone on, then aux cable. And they do feel good in hands. I hope they sounds better also. You can extend them from both sides as per the size of your head. Let's put together all the items together on a cell phone. So this is what all I have received. Thank you for watching the video and hope you enjoyed the experience of S9 Plus.